Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to my channel Love Max. It's 9th standard Karnataka State Board and NCERT syllabus real numbers. In real numbers we are going to see real numbers and their decimal expansion. Okay. Expansion. Real numbers we have to divide two parts. One is a rational, another one is a irrational. Okay. What is mean by rational means we know already. It is in the format of p by q. P and q's are integer. Q is not equal to 0. Okay. So this is the rational numbers like 10 by p by q format, 10 by 3, 7 by 8, 1 by 7. We are going to discuss about their decimal expansion. How the decimal expansions are there. If 10 by 3 means if you divide this you can get 3.333 etc. If 7 by 8 means you can get 0.875, that's all, because remainder you can get 0. Here it is going on, there is no end. 1 by 7 means it comes 0.1485, 71485 like that. At the point after the 7 again the same digits will repeat. After the 7 again the same digit will repeat. Like that we can get this result. So according this what we have to conclude means one thing, two parts only is there. The one thing the remainder becomes 0. One thing remainder becomes 0 like this, 7 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 5 like that. One at any one point we can get the remainder as 0. So it is ends. That name, such number is called terminating numbers. Such number is called terminating numbers. On the other, okay, another one, the remainder never becomes 0 like this. It is etc. continuity like this. But it is some on the some point it is repeating. After some digit it is repeating again. Here what 3 point again 3 3 3 3 3 only repeating. Here 142857 again 142857 142857 like this repeat. So how to write means which is repeating that you should write on the bar 0.3 bar, otherwise 0.14257 bar. So these type of numbers how to we form means non-terminating, because it's not ends. Terminate means it is ends, but it is non-terminating and recurring. Recurring means repeat. After some digits, these digits are repeating. That is the meaning, non-terminating and recurring. Okay. Next we are going to see, these are fact based on rational numbers only. This is irrational number. What is mean by irrational numbers decimal expansion? The decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring. For example, we are already seen root 2, pi, root 23, root 73. These and all is a irrational number. Okay, so root 2 value is what means we simply telling 1.414, only 3 digit. But is it correct means no, it is still so many numbers are there. If anything is repeating, no. If it is finished, no. It is non-terminating. Is it recurring? Repeating means no. Repeating also not there. Pi value also we are usually used 3.14. So 3.1415, this much, so many things are there. So this is how we can terminate. This is non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, it is not repeating. It is not a ends also. Is it clear? It is irrational number. Which number is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansion means that is the irrational number. Irrational number have non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, both are equal only. Next we are going to see few sums. Okay, for example, you have to find out, you have to write 0.6 okay, 0.333, that is equal to etc. Is it equal to 0.3 bar? You should write in the you should show that this is p by q form. It is in p by q because it is the rational number, because it is the non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring means it is the rational number. Rational number we can write as p by q format. How this number we have to write in the p by q format? Now we are going to see that. Okay, first let the given you have to take as x value. X is equal to 0.3333 etc. Okay, so this is 0.3 bar is represent 0.333 etc. Here bar, in that bar, below the bar, how many digits is there? That much tens you should multiple. Only one number means you should multiple with the tens. In case 2 number means multiple with the 100. 3 number means multiple with the 1000, like that. So only here 1 number are there. So this x value you should multiple with the 10. Find 10x. Okay. So 10x means what is the meaning? 10, this 0.333 etc. into 10. Okay. 10 means the point will move on after one digit. So 3.3333 etc. This is 10x. Now this is first equation, this is second equation, means now I should subtract two equations. Okay. So 10x is equal to 3. Second minus 1, 3.333 etc. First equation is x is equal to 0.3333 etc. So I want to subtract these two, just change the sign. This is minus, this is also minus. 10 minus x. There is no coefficient previous, means the meaning is 1. So 10x minus 1x is 9x is equal to, this also 333, this also 333. So all are cancelled. Here everything 0, 0, 0. After the decimal 0, 0, no, there is no value, so don't want. So 3 minus 0 is 3 only. Point everything 0, 0, 0 come, etc. So 0, 0 don't want. So 9x is equal to 3 means I need only x. So 3 by 9. Can I simplify? Yes, using 3 table we can simplify. So x is equal to 1 by 3. What is this x? X is equal to 0.3333 up to etc. You can write 1 by 3. 1 by 3 format is what? 1 by 3 is looking like P by Q. So we are proved now. So in this number also, terminating and recurring number also we can, it is non-terminating and recurring number also we can write in the P by Q format. Okay, let us see another one example for you. That is like 0.001 bar. Here after the bar 3 decimal are there, so you should multiple with 1000. Okay, 1 0 0 3 zeros. First take it is x, then 1000. 1000 means 1 2 3. The point will jump on here, 1 point. Then x is, you have to cancel 999x, that means 999x is equal to 1. So x value is 1 by 999. X is what? This 0.001 bar. So that value is 101 by 999. Is it clear? So this is we can usually write. Okay, then irrational number. The question is, next we are going to find out few irrational numbers in between. What is the irrational numbers? The numbers is non-terminating, non-recurring also. For example, one question in exercise 1.3, we are going to see the exercise 1.3 sums. See, this is the question. First one, write the following decimal form, say kind decimal exponents each of has. 36 by 100, you just want to find the decimal form. It is come 0.36. So it is 0.36 means what is the possibility? Terminating, it ends. 1 by 11 also. You like that, you have to do the sums. Next, you know that 1 by 7, because it is already find out. What is 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 means? It is the, it's very easy. 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. Okay. 2 by 7 means what is the meaning? 2 into 1 by 7. So multiple this value into 2. Okay, multiple this value into 2. So 2 7s are 14, remaining 1, 2 5s are 10, 1 11, 2 6 8s are 16, 1 17, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 4s are 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 0 is 0 point. So this is 2 by 7 value. In case 3 by 7 means multiple this answer as 3. 4 by 7 means multiple as 4. 5 by 7 means multiple as 5. 6 by 7 means multiple as 6. That's all. Okay. Like this. This is I already taught you. This one. Express 0 point in the form of P by Q and you surprised. What answer you got means this is you just multiple with the 10. 9.99 cancelling. Okay. So it is comes as 1 exactly because 0.999 is very nearest to 1. So the answer will come 1. Next. What the maximum number of block digit in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17? When it is repeat, you have to show. Let us see the sum now. 1 by 17. Okay. 1 by 17. You have to find out where it is repeating the decimal expansion. Okay. So, as usual, you do the division. No problem. How to do? You have to find out the division as usual. Okay. Let us do the sums now. So I think it comes little bit big, so I will start from here. 1 by 17. Okay, 1 is smaller than 17, so I add 0. Here also 1 0. It is also smaller than 10, so again we should add 1 0. Here also 1 0. Okay, then 5 17s are 50, 5 85. Okay, so remaining 15. I need means usually we can add the 0, so no problem. So what it is come next is the 9. 9 or 8 we have to find out. It is 8, I think so. 8 7s are 56, remaining 5, 8, 5 and 13. What is the remaining 1? What is the remaining 14? 14 0. So again 8 17s are 136. Okay, so what is the remaining here? 4. 140 minus 136 is 4. So we should add 0. So 2 7s are 34. What is that? 6. Okay, 2 17s are 34. The remaining is 6. So if you add 0, it becomes 60. Then 3 17s are 51. 3 7s are 21, 2, 351. Remaining 9, 0. 90 means what? 5. 5 17s are 550, 5 7s are 25. We said 75. Okay, remaining it's come 15. Okay, then we have to add 150. Well, then we have to add 150. It comes. This is 575 are 85, so it is only 0 5. Okay, so 0 5 50. So 50 means when what it should come? So 2 17s are 34. Remaining is 16. You have to add 1 0. It's a 160. It is 9 now. 9 means 9 7s are 63. Remaining 6. 9 and 6 is a 15. So remaining 7, again 0, it is 4. 4 17s are 40, 7 28, 68. So 2 0, 117 is 17. So again it comes as 3 0. So 117 is 17. Again it comes what? 13. Again 1 0. So 130, it is a 7, 70, 7 7s are 49, 119. So remaining is 11, again 1 0. So again 1 0, it comes as 6, 60, 42. It's come 102, then it is 8, 0, 8 0 means it is 4. 4 17s are 40 and 28, it's come 68. I think it is too lengthy. We are continue from here. It's a 68. It is 12 now. Okay, again 1 0 is an 120. It's a 7. Okay, so 7 17s are 70, 49. It is comes as 119. Remaining 1. Okay, 1 means we are adding 1 0, it is 10. Again we are adding 1 0, it is comes, sorry, not 10 0, again 1 0. So it comes now, it is a 5. Here 5 17s are So like that it is continue, because here it's 100 is there, you know. Okay, from here it is 100. So again this much step come, again this much steps come. So 17 when it is repeating means after these many steps. So 1 by 17 is equal to 0.05888235294117647. After this many digits again it is repeating. Okay, so this is the 1 by 17, this one. I hope you are understand and learn well. Thank you.